Hey y'all, it's me Ron here again on the snap string, and it's winter time. Right now it's in the 30s, and I'm going to get some fuel, but where I'm going to, up around Chicago, it's supposed to be like around 8-9 degrees in the morning. So the fuel that I'm getting here is not going to have anti-gel enough in it to keep the diesel from gelling up. So I'm putting I'm going to go ahead and winterize my fuel up before I get there, let it get through my lines and everything. That way I don't have no problem with it freezing up on it. So that's what we're doing here today on the snap string. I've got generic, not name brand, so I guess nobody has to worry about me plugging a name brand. This treats up to 300 gallons. So I'm going to put half of it in this side, half of it in the other side. That should be plenty. If I don't spill it all over me in the meanwhile. Sorry about that. On this other side. And I'll save this for if the company has any there that they could give me. I'll just refill this. Well, I guess I got to go back in and redo it because they're not. The pump ain't coming on, so I have to redo it. All right. Well, that's all we got here today on the snap string. And you remember to make things around you brighter, because this old world's going to take care of itself as long as you do good around you. Bye-bye. Love y'all now.